Stop scrolling. In 2026, Reddit users are still fighting over OLED versus LED. And the reason is not brand loyalty, it is real-world usage. Welcome to Tech Vibes. Today we break down why OLED and LED are still divided, even after years of upgrades. First, let us understand OLED. OLED means organic light emitting diode. Every pixel lights up by itself. That means true black, because black pixels turn completely off. Reddit users love OLED for movies, gaming, and nighttime viewing. The contrast is extreme. Colors look punchy. Response time is almost instant, which gamers notice immediately. But here is the problem. Burn-in is still a fear in 2026. Burn-in means static images like logos or taskbars can permanently mark the screen. Many Reddit users using OLED as a monitor reported anxiety, not damage, but constant worry. Brightness is another issue. In bright rooms, OLED can look dim compared to LED. Now let us talk about LED. LED means light-emitting diode with a backlight. Most modern LEDs use mini LED and full-array local dimming. This allows high brightness and better contrast than older LEDs. Reddit users praise LED for daytime viewing, sports, and long work sessions. There is no burn-in risk. You can leave a spreadsheet open for 10 hours without stress. However, LED is not perfect. Black levels are not truly black. Blooming happens. Blooming means light halos around bright objects on dark backgrounds. Movie lovers on Reddit complain about this constantly. So why the divide continues in 2026? Usage habits. OLED fans prioritize visual quality and cinematic experience. LED fans prioritize durability, brightness, and peace of mind. Another big factor is price. OLED prices dropped, but large-size OLED is still expensive. High-end mini LED gives 80% of OLED quality at a lower cost. Reddit threads show buyers constantly debating value versus perfection. Gaming also fuels the argument. OLED offers perfect blacks and fast response. LED offers higher sustained brightness and no burn in fear. Competitive gamers often choose LED. Single-player gamers often choose OLED. So what is the final answer? There is none. OLED is emotional. LED is practical. In 2026, technology improved, but user priorities did not. That is why Reddit is still divided. And honestly, that is what makes tech discussions fun. This is Tech Vibes. Stay curious.